Hi and welcome to this episode. My name is Gustav and today we are changing the auxiliary belt or the serpentine belt, the tensioner, the spring, the pulley, yeah, you name it, and also the radiator. So let's get going. Get your bonnet, get your hood into the service position. That's just making life easier. I might use the vacuum here. My God, that's much. If you find your car to be if it's raining and it's getting wet inside the car, that's where the water drains, it runs down. Just pop off this. Mine's worn out, but you pop off this, then you can see this duct leading it down to here. I'm now since I'm gonna change out my radiator, I'm gonna drain the coolant now. But if you're not doing that, just skip this part. Get your bucket. I will loosen the upper hose clamp. Here you can see the reason I'm changing the radiator. This is the reason I'm changing the radiator. It's all cracked up. It's supposed to be a bit longer and also a flange to hook against this. So yeah, that's why I'm swapping it out. Okay, those out of the way, I can move this. And also take off these clips holding this shroud, is that the name? They look like this. There are two clips at the top. And I do believe it's loose now. So this has to pass the fan, but since I'm changing the radiator, this can just stay. So, same type of clips holding in the radiator itself. Two of those as well. Now the radiator should be all loose. Let's try to lift it up. If you have cooling on your transmission in the radiator, you have to undo those as well. It is on a new radiator, so I will show you. Itsy bitsy spider. Almost. Yes. There's a shroud off. So this is what it looks like now. You can see we have all this space to work with, easy access. And you could probably tell that this is not original. I have bought all the new parts so you'll see what it's supposed to look like when we're done. But the removal process is somewhat the same, so let's get started with that. I'll start by removing this, or undoing this bolt. There is a nut, so it's going all the way through there. So this is a 13mm. Try not to drop anything. There. Normally the spring should be over here, but this whole mat you could put in a 3/8 spanner or extender that fits in here. So you can just do like this and then remove that. Take off the spring. Yeah, you're not supposed to do that. There were quite a lot of tension on this small one. I'll show you compared to the original one. Now I'll undo this bolt that holds the damper. Try not to ruin your fan. You will need this hanger or you'll need this piece, so don't lose that one. Okay. Now your belt should be properly or really loose, but do check the orientation of the belt and like the way it goes over the pulleys and everything. They are fairly simple to change. I have swapped them out on the side of the road, so should be good. Okay, there we are. That's not the sound of a happy damper. Yeah. Small plastic clip. So
here you can see I'm using an old belt and holding onto it with a pliers, just to get some tension on the wheel while I remove the bolt that holds the fan.
Try not to ruin your AC cooler. Voila! It's out. If you're going to change your water pump, now is a good time. Yeah, you'll need a 12mm Allen key. Can loose rather easy. Now that's out of the way. Oh, spoke a bit too early. There we go. I don't know if there's oil behind here. Okay. Just a quick comparison. This is the old damper. This is the new one. I have to really push to get it back in. Also, spring that's going in. Let's see that there. The spring I used to run. Yeah. The car broke down on the side of the road, but I managed to hook it up, and it was near a hardware store that sold lawnmowers, and I asked for the biggest spring they had, and it was this one. So it has worked. Not ideal, but it has worked. So whatever floats your goat. Yeah, I think I'll give this a quick go in the parts washer. So, some of you keen viewers might already have noticed the error I made when I ordered parts. Because you can see these ain't the same. They should be the same, but they ain't. So, this will fit the car. You could attach it, but you won't get the belt over this pulley. So, yeah, not good. But thanks to the magic of editing, I got the right part. It should be like this. (100 Nm of torque. Now that's done. Now it's time for this pulley. It's 25 Nm. 25 for this one as well. Time to install this. I'll just give it a tiny bit of thread locker. 25 Nm. This one goes on the outside like so. So don't fill up that with grease. There we are. Yeah, that was all my Allen keys. You do have a direction, often it's with the writing. So, and sometimes they do have an arrow. And lastly, we'll try to get it over the water pump. Yes. Now we need to put in the bolt that goes through here. this belt should be. That is tighty. Okay, this is Allen key 8. Put this thing in first, so that's in. Is that the... yeah, that's right way. This little tab is for this thing, so. Just a matter of wiggly. Nice. Are these things different? Almost identical, but you see these ear thingies is not on this one. Same story on that side. I'll try to just cut off this. Here is gone. Yes. Now we can get these small clips in. So don't over tighten these. That's probably what caused the other one to break. Nice. Nice. These are banged up and beaten, so I need to get some new ones. Leave those kids alone. Okay, I did make an error, so I didn't buy any new coolant. So I'll fill it up with water. Okay. Let's see how this goes then. That is a smooth operator. Nice. Woo.